You might see many of the lessons we've discussed here and think, hey, this doesn't fit together, or some parts are missing. Yes, I do this for you so that in the end, you can have a big puzzle and see the different roles within it, but where you need them, you have to put these pieces together. For reviewing your campaigns, executing your campaigns, and the optimizations you want to perform, the point that is very important to me here, and I want you to pay close attention to, is that if all these things we've talked about are not practiced, nothing will actually happen. Let's not fall into the trap of saying, hey, I read a book or I attended a course and now I know everything. No, these require continuous practice, continuous analysis, and continuous execution for you to achieve the best results. Guys, when you enter the action and start working, that's when you truly become proficient in the various aspects of this subject and understand it. Where and when, if this happens, how do I use it? And more importantly, it should become second nature to you. I hope you have written down everything I mentioned in your notebooks very neatly and beautifully, because you need to refer to it. Don't forget that all Google algorithms are constantly being updated, and your knowledge should also be updated. Alongside this course, I recommend you enhance your understanding of inbound marketing by reading more so that you can use different tools. See that it's not just Google. This is to prove what I'm saying. Learn and broaden your perspective in marketing and digital marketing. Alongside, participate in Google's Skillshop courses. They are free and they also provide certification. However, the certification is not very valid for us because the exam is not very important. You might find the questions elsewhere and get the answers. In addition to that, conduct various searches. You should be someone who researches when you get stuck. Google support is one of the options that can provide you with very good assistance there. For Google News, I can actually tell you it's at the top of your dashboard in the help section when you go there. The new feature announcement is there. You can read it to increase your information. And guys, don't stop. Don't think, I know this now, I'm done. No, you need to broaden your perspective, then read various articles. After this course, guys, once you've watched the videos, we've actually set up a mentoring course for you. So you can actually there. With the mentors you have, you can engage in Q&A sessions. And alongside that, if you wish, you can share your campaigns. There in the class with your other friends, you can actually review the remaining points that are on your mind. And after that, you will take an exam. And in order to actually pass this course, you definitely need to achieve a minimum score there. However, I am very hopeful that you will achieve the maximum score. The exam is not easy, it will be a difficult exam and requires practice. That is, if you haven't practiced, because the things I told you, if you practice them, you will definitely see various parameters and side codes. And if you don't practice, guys, it won't be useful. We have spent a lot of time alongside you, actually progressing and advancing these together. But if you don't practice them, it will be wasted. And this subject is very fleeting. I must say it should become second nature to you for that exam. You can use the other foundations that we have actually considered for you. Benefit from them. Ultimately, let me tell you that the entire Ashtia team is doing their best. From the kids who worked hard on filming to the other mentor friends who will actually be with you, they have all worked hard to create a good experience for you in this course so that you can truly enjoy and fully benefit from it. You can achieve that good feeling that you can get from Google Education, and it will truly be an honor for us if you succeed in this matter. It genuinely makes us all very happy, meaning we gain energy from the fact that we were able to help a little in this matter. And whether inside Iran or outside of Iran, you can launch powerful campaigns. I will truly be proud of this. I hope that we can, or better yet, have been able to help you in this matter and take at least a small step with you on the path you have chosen for yourself. I hope you succeed. Thank you for being in this course.